What's good? 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 What's happening, man? How everybody doing, man? How everybody doing? All I just want to say, man, I wish you all had a profitable week. Mind you, I ain't had one. It's just a break-even week. I know it's been months, bro. Like since I've been saying I had a break-even week, I had a break-even week. But it is what it is, man. We're just gonna keep on working and being consistent and just putting in work and just do what we can afford to do day by day, week by week, month by month, and all our trading lives. So it's your boy Harlem, and I'm back again with another video. Today's video, man, there's gonna be a trade breakdown, bro. Like, there's gonna be a trade breakdown. This trade, bro, it's something that I do want to share, bro, because I know a lot of people will want to take something from it, and there's something you can learn from it. But financial disclaimer, this ain't financial advice, man. Everything I say or do, it's based off of my own opinion, man. What I can share might not. Let me switch off my alarm. I'll be back. So, like I'm saying, everything I say or do might not just correspond with everything that I say. So it's based off of my own opinion, bro. So there's gonna be a trade breakdown based on the NAS, bro. Like strictly the NAS, because that's wifey. What can I say? So like there's gonna be there's gonna be I don't wanna just say this word, but there's gonna be simple. This breakdown is simple, but I don't wanna use this word. So we can tell that, like, looking at the structure of the NAS, we was pushing to the upside. On our outlook, obviously, we were hoping for price to do what? To trade above, to trade below this intraday lows for continuation to the downside. But unfortunately, price has been tapping off that zone and pushing to the upside, giving us some sort of what? Bullish channel. So once we got to this zone, bro, like you can tell that like price did obviously do what, have some sort of a double bottom and did what, and had a continuation to the upside, having some sort of what, depletion from that zone. Understand me? So this is what I always talk about in my previous videos. You understand me? This is what I always talk about. Price has been moving in some kind of like intraday range, understand me? So all we were waiting for is for a break to the upside, no a break to the downside. But fortunately, we had a what? A break to the downside with correspondence to what? To our break of the structure. You understand me? The bullish channel in a what? Confirmation of or an anticipation of a reversal or a price reversal to the downside. So now what based my entry, it was what I was looking for. So we can tell that like price was trading here and here on intraday zones, not looking at anything else. So obviously, once price was holding this zone, you understand me? All I saw this as some sort of what, depletion, some sort of bullish depletion, and some sort of bullish depletion and some bear depletion trying to step in the markets, understand me? So from obviously that push, price began moving what, sideways. So obviously from a push and a sideways movement, we anticipate a continuation to the upside. But unfortunately, price had some sort of depletion from that zone and did what, broke to the downside. So once price was moving sideways from here, I was either waiting for a break to the upside, nor a break to the downside. But at the same time, I saw that like price had a break of our what, of our bullish channel. We had a break of our bullish channel. So obviously, with that said, all I did anticipate, it was once we get a trade below that very same intraday correction, the sideways move. Once I get price trading below off of it, I can anticipate what, a continuation to the downside. So obviously, with this candle on our pre with this candle on our pre-London session, this candle, because it's normal on 9 a.m. it's 10 now, it's normal 9, it's 10. So with this candle on our pre-London, all I saw was like we had a pin bar and we had a bullish open and a bear close. I anticipated that like once we get price trading below this candle, and the zone is on the 15-minute, you understand me, this low. Once we get price trading below this low, I can anticipate what a continuation to the downside. And fortunately, we did get that. So I did close a few trades on a 1-2-1. You understand me? And I'm leaving a runner just so we can see where we're gonna actually take profit from. So because we know that, like, with this rectangle, where this rectangle is from, it's my major, it's that intraday zone, you understand me? It's that intraday resistance or that major resistance on my current price, you understand me? That's it. So all I can say, it's once I had price having a push to the upside and a sideways movement, all I was waiting for was for price to either break to the upside, no to the downside. Unfortunately, we had what price breaking way to the downside. We simply with being patient enough to wait for a candle close in anticipation of what a continuation to the downside. So this is what I always do. This is what I always work on. This is what I always analyze, and this is what I always preach. You understand me? Forex is not easy. First fact, forex trading is not easy, man. Okay, taking a trade and the technical side and the skill strategy part can be easy, but but the emotions, the psychology, everything, all those aspects, bro, they're important. Those are the hardest parts of trading. So all I always preach, all I always preach is psychology, bro. Like, it's psychology. It's psychology. That's the only thing I can preach, psychology. So just to sum up a trade, once again, how I took a trade, we saw that, like, we had a what? We had a price, we had a structure of price moving to the upside with a what? With a channel price trading above or inside our break wall until we had price moving sideways. All we simply waited for was for price to either break to the upside, not to the upside, for an anticipation. If we had a break to the upside or continuing to the upside, with a break to the downside, we continue to the downside. So it's a boy Harlem. I can't say much. I won't say much. That's all I got. And I'll be back on my outlook. I'll be back on my outlook. I'll be back on my outlook. I can't miss on that one, and I won't miss on that one. You understand me? So that's all I got on this video. And my bad this week for not having to drop or upload a psychology video. I didn't have anything. I didn't have any content. You understand me? But I'm with y'all, guys. I'm with y'all. Next week, I don't want to say the day, but next week I'm with y'all. So that's all I got in this video, man. That's all I got in this video. That's all I got. That's all I got. That's all I got. It ain't gonna show. I know it. It ain't gonna show, but that's all I got on this video, man. That's all I got on this video, man. I'm out.